Hi everyone, welcome to English Factory. Today we will do one word substitution. One word substitution is one of the integral part of vocabulary. One word substitution is the use of one word in place of a wordy phrase in order to make the sentence structure clearer. The meaning with the replacement of the phrase remains identical while the sentence becomes shorter. Let's get started. Number 1. A game in which neither party wins. Answer is draw. Number 2. A grass-eating animal. Answer is herbivorous. Number 3. A government by the people. Answer is democracy. Number 4. A book written by an unknown author. Answer is anonymous. Number 5. A book published after the death of its author. Answer is posthumous. Number 6. A contagious disease which spreads over a huge area. Answer is epidemic. Number 7. A great lover of books. Answer is bibliophile. Number 8. A handwriting that cannot be read. Answer is illegible. Number 9. A land animal that breathes in water. Answer is amphibian. Number 10. A life history written by oneself. Answer is autobiography. Number 11. A list of names, books, etc. Answer is catalogue. Number 12. A medicine that kills germs. Answer is germicide. Number 13. A person who knows everything. Answer is omniscient. Number 14. A medicine that prevents decomposing. Answer is antiseptic. Number 15. A person who always thinks of himself, somebody who's selfish or self-centered. Answer is egotist.